So I have given the justification. Now it is 30th August have given this. So now I don't know the status of this letter. What have they been doing with this?
Bun kadau kaba iwan ban pej ipok NEIGRIHMS sagadi ka si kalong hi kum nong mi khmat wa ka naka Shillong parliamentary seat so gadi ka kamram ka jonga ada panthoi du ka shithi untuk gam ngala ai shau minister bapej ka kot ka khia juga sarkar India te ngaso gadi ka kamram ka jonga ru pan pej hi ru le jong ki khmat but ban yu i ya ka jinglong jingman ha kane ka hospital nado lebede bat ka jing ki badon hagne ki tiar kitar ki machine nangta pada ki department kat ki ba nela ek ban pej nangta ban ngap ru ya nakaliang jong ki nurse nakaliang jong ki doctor nangta ka library bat kum jo ru kham thambe nakaliang jong ki patient namar hakini kiski ya so shibon ki jing e ka ba ki patient ki kendo bakam kata ka kadawai rashin ka bagi banyo kum bagi juyo ki por menshwa kim yo ini ki khiat ki ba long ya bangaso ka diga kamram ka jonga bangan wan ban pej ban khmi dalam jong ki khmat ban yo banyak kren ban yo snoru da ki jong ki skon ya kini ek baro ki bede bat kani ka hospital kani ka NEIGRIHMS ka banadu stem dengan bakla ka kendai sebab propenyo belasi mau nongrim ka le hadu mentang I dang don pleng shibon ki ba dang don kam ban le naga banta ka jiman toy jong pai pa ndai tang ki ba shong ha ka state ka jong ndai wat na ki ki state ru jong ki thai lam mi ni
Kalau saya ki jingduna ki mata ki ba tapi nya ndo jong ki bat ki fakulti na ki pat ni
kidon shibon ki ban yamanta hi ka ba ni ka ba na ka ba ngi asngo kidon shibon ki namaru director hagni ski umdon te le se ngandang snap ru nakaliang jong u mo te yamanta hi idang dei tang itai bang shwan ban pet di jong ki khmat ayo sngo kita te jing ke biki kendo ki jingduna bat ki don ru mdei tang ki jingduna ki don ki pederu ko ban so ki don kum ki machine ki mi ding jong ki khmat ki machine ki balong jong juk wa menta te kumta nei khmi lanti wa ni hospital kum balas sengyaka kanong hospital kanong ka college ka banong ga jingkar khu ya kan ni ka state ka jongi
satu nahdin waktu layo semua kita jingnya lase Orang kita semua banyak budin yang kita ban itu NEIGRIHMS international important institute bat dua saya
kata hi ka we namar bang min chwan pej ada klem ya le ye klem ya budin kam don jingmut te kum tu ka jing thmui kalong pa rengkat ji snok ti lang jong baro ki badon hang ni po hospital ki patient bat pai pa hi ke don kam ka jing ya lang jong baro pangin yo pan penulong ya ke bakani hospital kariban kot kumba patmu nadu pasdang kat ka level jong ka aims
no after Dr. Ricky A.J Syngkon has become MP, this is the first time that he has come and visited us officially, and he visited he is wanted to meet all representatives of different people of the healthcare sectors in the institution, the faculty group, resident doctors, and the nursing groups, and various workers of the institutions. And he has a long conversation with the demands made by all different sections of the healthcare workers in the institute, like faculty doctors, resident doctors and even a nursing. So the problem faced by the institutions, and for better so that we can serve the people of the Northeast and especially Meghalaya better. So these are the things has been put forward to the Honorable MP of Shillong, Dr. Ricky Syngkon, and he has spent a lot of time here. He visited some wards, he visited the patients and different segments of the. He actually wanted to know at first-hand information on what NEIGRIHMS is all about, and so that he will have a clear-cut ideas what to represent the people of Meghalaya, especially in terms of healthcare facilities available in the state. So the difficulties faced by the patients and how to improve them. So he has patiently, listened to all the points put forward by different group of people in the institutions, and he has, with the permission of our director NEIGRIHMS. So the director was also there during the meeting. He was sitting all through the meetings. So it was very fruitful, and he has a clear-cut understanding, being working as an employee of the central government himself earlier in Nehu. So I really appreciate that he has a very clear-cut understanding about the plight of how to improve, how to have a better facilities, so that the NEIGRIHMS can serve in terms of education, of medical education, and as a patient care, so that we will serve the people of this region in a better way. So I would like to thank Dr. Ricky Syngkon for visiting us, and he's been a very educated person, and being a teaching hospital, teaching institutions. I'm sure that this. This visit of his will have a great impact, positive impact on NEIGRIHMS and how we serve the people in terms of medical education and in terms of patient care, especially for the betterment of the Northeast.
Previously, before Dr. Ricky become an MP,
Yes.
any MP visited this.
That I would not comment on that actually, because they must have. That I would not comment on that actually, because they must have visited also. But he has come and especially wanted to speak to all sections of the organizations, which he has done, and so he has met all of them, and so that the much needed things like INI status instead of national importance. So that has been highlighted, so that this will be put up in the parliament, and especially an Central Protection Act of the healthcare workers has been also highlighted. So that this will be highlighted in the parliament, to pass in the parliament as an act, so that the healthcare workers are being protected. So I think these are the highlights which I have listened to different demand which is being put forward by different associations of the institutions.
So, what is the main benefit as if this institution is stuck along with us as a national important?
No, as you know, this is a special act to be passed by the parliament, so that especially in terms of medical education, so that we actually now come under the ambit of the National Medical Commission, which is a very stringent organizations, which we have a lot of things which we have to do, like for example for the upliftment of the institution, especially the benefit which has been given to the faculty and the staff, so that we are in par with instead of national importance like AIMS, PGI Chandigarh, JIPMER, and Sichitra Tirunal, and NIMHANS. These are earlier on, because the NEIGRIHMS was supposed to be and set up by the central government, which has been set up like AIMS like institutions. But then when it comes to aims, like, it has not been passed by the parliament. So we have seen that we are not exactly like aims. It's like aims, So there are a lot of benefits which we are not getting in terms of, so that we are autonomous body in terms of the things like it, because we are actually coming under the university of the local university and also by the National Medical Commission, so that we can start on our own without having to go through the stringent requirement of the the Medical Commission, so that we can start all postgraduate courses and all super specialty courses like what is happening in PGI or AIMS or JIPMA. So this is the benefit which I think institute will get actually, because as you know, we have some shortcomings in the place